Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk a little bit about word work as part of our literacy groups. This rotation, I want you to think back to yesterday when you were taking your spelling test over the 20 different green words that we had for our list number 11. Those 20 different green words, you were able to pound and tap each of those words. For example, the word basin, basin. You'll start by pounding the word basin. Basin. Right away you can tell that that word has two syllables. Basin. Then you start with the bay and you tap out the sounds. B-A, B-A. Then you go ahead and you tap out the next syllable. S-in, S-in. Basin. Now, if you remember, yesterday you had a chance to then think of the second vowel sound, that sin. You had a chance to think of that vowel sound. It was a short I sound. Then you looked at three different words. You looked at the word pen, brat, and chin. Now, looking at the word basin and hearing the sound sin, which of these three words, pen, brat, or chin, do you think has the same sound as the short I sound in basin? Give you a moment. If you said chin, you were correct. Another word that we had yesterday was the word pigment. Pigment. So go ahead, take a minute, pound and tap the sounds, or the syllables that you hear. So pound the word and then tap the syllables. Ig, ig, and. Okay? Then again, the three words that you had, well, first off, we were listening for the first vowel sound. For the first vowel sound, it makes the I sound. I sound. The three different words we had to choose from were trick, truck, and beg. Which of these three words, trick, truck, or beg, do you think makes that same short I sound as in pigment? Pigment. Make your choice. If you said trick, you were correct. I'm going to do a couple more. This time, I want you to go ahead and I would like you to pound and tap the word alto or alto. Alto or alto. The three words that you're going to listen for that first vowel sound in alto, the three words are ball, care, and tear. Or tear. You could say that either word. Or either way, that's a homonym. Ball, care, and tear, or tear. Which of those has the same vowel sound as alto? Make your choice. It is ball. Hopefully you said it was ball. Now, the next two, you're going to go ahead, pound and tap the words, and then you are going to send me a message as to which of the three words you think has the same vowel sound as the words that I have over on the left-hand side. Let me show you what I mean. We'll start with the word tablet. Go ahead and pound and tap tablet. We're listening to the second vowel sound in tablet. Tablet. What I want to know is which word has the same sound as the let part. Is it pet, cheat, or fake? So go ahead and pick which one, and then you will go ahead and send me a message through Canvas if it's pet, cheat, or fake. In addition to that one, I also would like you to go ahead and do the word engulf. 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 We're listening to the second vowel sound. the O sound. It's a short U sound. Pulp, unique, or Sioux. Which of those three words has the same vowel sound as the O in engulf? Pulp, unique, or Sioux? So go ahead, again, go into your inbox, send me a message with the answer for these last two.